This is a really impressive little blower. This is from Fanttik, and specifically, this is their B11 Apex electric duster. So it is a battery-powered duster or battery-powered blower, and I know there are a ton of those things out there, a ton of these things out there on the market right now, but this one is quite a bit different than most that are out there. Number one, they kind of are usually broken up into two categories, right? You know, the cheap onboard battery type blowers that may be kind of in this segment, or the more of the tool branded blowers. They have the tool batteries on them, and you can replace the batteries and that sort of thing, which are typically quite a bit larger than this. So this is one good thing, that you get a lot more compact design than your tool battery type blowers. Let's get this cover off of here. So a really good looking unit, by the way, and with the kit, you also get different attachments that I'm assuming, yep, they looks like they go on in just a quick eighth of a turn and locks them on. So kind of a broad mouth, and this is more kind of a flat duckbill style. So it'll snap and lock into place. And then here's one more of a duster for like keyboards, things like that, where you can not only blow but also maybe do a little scrubbing, brushing, something like that. Another cool thing about this is you get a light right there in the center of the fan. So the fan is going to suction through here, or it's going to pull through here. Up to 90 CFM, by the way, on this little guy, little handheld unit with 90 CFM. That's half of most of the high-powered blowers in the tool group. Anyway, so we have the light here, and this is the output. So you can put a snout on here if you want to, but you can run it also without that as well. This is their turbo button, or kind of your maximum speed button. And this here is your power button, so you can just turn it on. It's not going to do anything. Okay, but if we hold for 3 seconds, it's going to turn the unit on, and it's going to tell our battery percentage, which was 94%. And then we can operate this in several different ways. So we can just turn the dial. And by the way, you get 100 different speeds, a little over the top, I think, but that's okay. Better than being under the top. So yeah, so we're going to blow just by turning the dial. And also, if we have the fan on and we hit the button once, we get a light as well. So again, whether you're running it with a snout or not, and push the power button again. So we get 3 different light settings. I believe it's up to like a couple of hundred lumen, if I'm not mistaken. So that's not a bad idea. Sometimes you're blowing in crevices and things where you may want to see where you're blowing. But again, take your dial, turn it off if you want to. Also, I can turn the dial back on. If I want to jump like 10 different settings, I can just push the dial. So 10, 20, 30, and then I can use the dial again. Or then I can power the whole thing down. Also, when I am powered up and I'm running, we have a LED light ring up here as well. And as I mentioned, our turbo button, if I just push it without it running, it's not going to do anything. But if I go ahead and power this up, and then I push the button, so that's going to give me, that's going to be my maximum speed by pushing that button. So I can, blow things around at 10% and then pull the button, push the button, and give me my maximum to dislodge whatever I need to. So here's our shop keyboard. It stays out here in the shop, so no telling what's hiding in there. And we can kind of use the brushes. Let's check it out on some real work. Now here we have some oil dry where we recently did a little job out here on this concrete pad and need to get that blown off. Okay, so we've got our little Fanttik. Turn this on. 82% battery. Let's go up to about 20. Go 30. Go ahead and go wide open. So it's not necessarily a leaf blower by any means, but I don't think they intended that either. As far as for a handheld blower, it packs a lot of power, and actually it's quite handy as well. It has a nice capacity battery on that also. So I don't know, we've got about 70% battery life left on this. So the fact you got a light on there as well as the blower, the fan, and the attachments, you can get this for $80 on the Fanttik site, or I believe you can find it on Amazon for that price as well. Let us know if you've got a better idea on blowers.